Hello, welcome to Cooking with Cathy. I'm Cathy Witt from Holy Cross Health. This is part of our diabetes prevention program. Glad you could join today. Today I'm making a morning muffin in a mug. So on those days when you're rushed and you still want a healthy breakfast, this is a wonderful option. Super simple. You can put more than one mug in the microwave at a time. It should work for you. My ingredients are oats. Any kind of oats will work. Today I am using rolled oats from Trader Joe's that have ancient grains, seeds, and flax in it. So it just gives you a little bit more. So half a cup, and I'll pour that in a mug. Make sure your mug is 16 ounces. So I'll pour the oats in the mug. Then I add my dry ingredients. So I have small amounts, like 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can play with of course, with the cinnamon. If you like it a little bit more, you can add a little bit more. I have my dry ingredients. So I like to mix those up really well, because if you don't, sometimes you'll get a salt taste in one area. Half a cup, 1/4 cup rather, of applesauce. So if you get the little containers, super easy. It's already pre-measured. You can use, of course, a jar of applesauce and measure it in your measuring cup. That's fine. And I'm going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey, depending upon how sweet you like it. You can also add the honey on top at the end once it's baked. So I'll do 1 tablespoon of honey today. And finally, 1 egg. Crack the egg in a separate bowl just in case you get some shells. Make sure you mix it really well. And you're going to microwave it for 4 minutes. My entire family like this. My son, my husband. It's just a nice, and it's not an overly sweet muffin. You know, the muffins you buy in the store have too much sugar, fat. This has no fat. As you all know, the oats are good to help keep cholesterol under control. It's nice to regulate the blood sugar as well. All right. 4 minutes in the microwave. And look at that, ta-da, I have a super fast microwave. So here you have it, your morning muffin in a mug. Enjoy.